Today, the Philippine National Police joins the nation and the international community in observing the 77th International Humanitarian Law. With the team, pinalakas na ugnayan at pagkakaisa sa pagsulong ng International Humanitarian Law. The lessons of the Marawi Siege remind us that courage must always be guided by discipline, compassion, and respect for the rule of law. The conviction of members of the Maute Group likewise affirms that justice is achieved through lawful and accountable institutions. Even in difficult security operations, we must protect civilians and other persons who are not taking part in hostilities, exercise restraint in the use of force, and uphold the dignity and rights of every individual. As we begin this week, let us lead by example, support one another, and carry out every duty with discipline and accountability. The badge we wear is not mere a symbol of authority. It is a solemn promise to protect, serve, and uphold the rule of law. Together, let us continue building a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at